fully equipped kitchen, cosy sitting room, and ample supply of wood for a log burner means you'll have everything you need right at home, and the views are outstanding. And for the extra touch, there's freshly ground coffee, tea, sugar, milk, making sure that you have the perfect first start to your Eco Lodge stay. The kitchen is fully equipped with gas cooker, microwave and toaster, and all the essentials that you will need. Rabbits is a place to recharge, reconnect and experience the very best holiday that Devon has to offer. The large king-size bedroom provides plenty of space to unwind. It features an ensuite bathroom with luxurious bedroom and an unusual shower and basin, perfect for relaxing after a long day of exploration. Don't worry, Rabbits is solar panel to show your stay is both sustainable and comfortable. Built in the traditional earth house style, Rabbits blends sustainability with charm. We had an amazing stay at Rabbit's Airbnb, which is set in beautiful and scenic surroundings. The environment was perfect for both relaxing and exploring Devon. Our cat Millie loved her time there as well, especially checking out this beautiful lake, which had plenty of spots to sit and enjoy the peaceful view. We have linked the Airbnb down below, so if anyone else wants to book it. And thank you for watching. See you next week.